Hey, what's up, guys? Cal here. Just gonna show you what I got going on today with the Bush Cat. I got all the parts slowly trickling in. Should have them all hopefully by the end of the week. In the meanwhile, I got some things I need to tackle. All brand new tapered roller bearings for the main set. Also got some nice new stainless steel screws to replace the rainbow of screws that were in there. The thing about small screws is when they get misplaced or dropped, lost, usually people just throw whatever's in there. I mean, there should be 2 different type of screws there. There's at least 5. So anyways, we'll get that all fixed up. Then the other thing I need to do is finish up the fuel system. I've tore into it mostly. I got both of those filters replaced with some clamps there. The one that's a bugger is this guy right here, which doesn't look like too big a deal, but all that was safety wired up, and I have no idea how anyone would safety wire that in place, so I'm gonna have to pull that out when we get the new filter and safety wire all up and then put it back in. I also got 2 drain plugs on the bottom there that need to be safety wired back up. Well, we got it out. And that was a bear, man. Not much room in there. So as you can see, this red bolt was safety wired to this nut, and then this housing here safety wired to this. We put a new fuel sample valve in there. Got a new filter coming for this chunky one, not a cheap one. Anyways, we're gonna clean this up and then on to the next thing. All right, next I'm gonna throw that wheel back on. I'm just gonna be using the old roller bearings just to get it rolling, so I get that jack under there, and then I'm going to get up under there and safety wire the drain plugs for the fuel tank.